we're aiming for is a process or tool whereby individuals can understand the skills, competencies, attitudes, and behaviours they need to participate fully and safely in a digital world. We want them to be able to self-evaluate using our online tool and then learn from the resources, the support, the development that we have collated in our resource repository that's mapped to the framework. And the idea is that this makes developing digital capability very accessible and actionable for individuals. And then we want them to reflect on their progress and their next steps, because this is very much about empowering people to continually develop their skills. Technology is changing all the time, and so we really need to keep ourselves informed and up to date so we can shape what happens and make good decisions. It's always important to remember that people make technology. It's not some abstract force, and it's people who make the policies that impact technology. And so it's really important that we're all informed, empowered, represented, part of the discussion. Because you are all experts at what you do. You're best placed to shape how digital works for you, for your profession, for your patients.